Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. And today is Tuesday, October, not September. I was about ready to say September, October 5th. And a little bit of news today. We got the ISM Non-Manufacturing Index, or otherwise most people probably call it ISM Services Index, and came in a little hotter than we expected. Prior month for August came in at 51.5, then it jumped up in September at 53.2. So good economic news there. As a result, we got the stock market went up. And then the other item that helped boost the stock market is the Japan's Fed cut rates. Not that can imagining them cutting it any lower, but they had a 0.1% and they cut it between 0 and 0.1%. So I guess and they're also pumping in about $419 billion into their economy to try to stimulate it. So a lot of companies are now getting kind of try to act on measures and trying to anything they can to get their economy rolling. This is kind of good for us because they're buying their bonds, but it's because it's so low now. Our bond looked a little bit more appetizing. The U.S. bonds a little bit more appetizing to investors out there. So this is actually kind of good for our bond market in this case. Another good thing in Europe is the UK's PMI, merchandising index, where they're basically seeing some improvement. So it's kind of easing their concerns of maybe a double dip recession. So that's good in the UK. And of course, Ireland, still concerned about Ireland. They were placed on notice by the credit bureau agencies. So we'll see if they're able to kind of help themselves out. And let's go take a look at the bond market. The bond market's up at the very top of the trading range. As we saw yesterday, we hit towards the top there. We kind of touched on it and then kind of pulled back a little bit. We didn't close this gap here, and then we started another gap here, and it looked like we came down a little bit and then we pulled back. So we're kind of closed that up a little bit. There's really not enough economic news to really give it a big boost today. There was some pretty good economic news, so it probably won't go really anywhere above that. If anything, it could probably drop a little bit more towards the bottom of the trading range. We have some room down there. So as a result, mortgage rates are probably about the same or slightly better than they were yesterday. And if anything else changes, I'll let you know. But we do got the job numbers later this week. That could be kind of a big boost as to either direction as to where the jobs are at. So you guys have a great day and see you tomorrow.